With the new year comes new tax brackets. Americans could see their paychecks change as the IRS tries to adjust brackets to deal with inflation. Action News Jack's Phil Amato has more on what's news in 2024.
You're about to increase your take-home pay without getting a raise. The IRS put in place higher limits for federal income tax brackets this year, which means Americans will be able to shield more of their income from the taxman.
In general, it means that everyone's should expect that if they have withholding on their paychecks, they're going to have just a little bit less withheld.
Brackets are increasing by about 5.4% for both individual and married filers. The top tax rate remains at 37% for 2024, and that starts at $609,350. The reason for the change? To avoid bracket creep when inflation pushes people into higher tax brackets, but they have little additional purchasing power. But this year's change won't fix that problem.
It's never going to keep up all the way, because what they're doing is again, they're making a one-time adjustment in the fall, or based off of the fall CPI, but even that doesn't go into effect until January. So you have this lag period.
The standard deduction is changing too, rising to $29,200, up from $27,700 for married couples filing jointly. That's a 5.4% bump. For individuals, the new tax will be $14,600, up from $13,850. The standard deduction effectively reduces the amount of income you pay taxes on. The IRS is also increasing the thresholds for several other tax provisions, including the Earned Income Tax Credit, with families now eligible to receive $7,830 if they have 3 or more qualifying children. For local coverage you can count on, Phil Amato, Action News.